It's a pretty special achievement for panel shops across New Zealand to be selected to be part of the specialist BYD repair network. It just shows how invested BYD are. Repairing BYDs, you really need to understand the vehicle. There's so much technology involved in these vehicles, not only health and safety systems, but also the battery technology, which is second to none. BYD brand-specific training gives us information that other repairers don't have access to understand the vehicle and understand how the vehicle needs to be repaired safely, and also maintain any battery and body warranties that BYD have. Going over to China to get one-on-one training through the factory, understanding how the blade battery works, it was just information that you just can't get unless you actually go over there, see, touch, feel, and learn how to fix these vehicles. When repairing any BYDs, we're not only looking for the visible damage that you can see with the eye, but we're looking to delve further into behind the systems, make sure there's no hidden damage, to make sure the vehicle is repaired correctly and back to specification. If the vehicle's not repaired back to manufacturer specifications, you put risk at health and safety systems and making the vehicle unsafe. Hence why it should always go through an authorised repairer. Any BYD fixed by Rosiez or anyone on the National Repair Network guarantees the customer peace of mind that the vehicle is repaired correctly and the battery and the body warranty is maintained. If any BYD gets in an accident, the first thing you could do is make sure that you and anyone else in your vehicle is safe. Secondly, ring your insurer and make sure that they direct the vehicle to one of the approved repairers throughout New Zealand.